How are you, Ramma? Ugh, guess what?
I got the new tires,
Yeah.
and then I was trying to get these new wheel covers put on, but they're slightly loose.
No, but you have rims already. You can't put hubcaps over rims.
Yeah,
You see how this is a rim?
yeah.
You can't put that over this.
Really?
Yeah, you have to have like a wheel hub. Like, you know how like it's just like a ugly looking rim sometimes?
But they can't, how can the ones, these are slightly bigger.
Yeah, but when they changed your wheels, they gave you rims instead of actual like I don't know what the proper word is for it, but like, you know when a hubcap falls off, it's like a ugly, just plain looking thing.
Yeah.
If you have that, you could put hubcaps on.
Yeah.
But if your rim is like this is the actual rim.
Yeah.
You can't really put a
Usually,
hubcap
because
over
there
it.
is nothing here to hold it.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
Why do you want new wheels though? They look nice.
No, new tires.
No, I get it, but why do you want to put hubcaps on this?
To keep them clean.
Yeah.
So it looks nice. The old ones,
They do look nice though.
the originally came with the vehicle, so it looks nice. That's the one.
I still think I like these rims better.
Better?
Yeah. You know why? Because if you had these on with like the hubcaps, if you lose a hubcap, now you got like one wheel looking ugly and then the rest look
Somebody
okay.
stole 3 of them originally,
God.
like several years ago during COVID time or something.
That's so frustrating.
Yeah, I know. The 4th one, I think they couldn't.
Get it off.
Yeah, get it off, or maybe they were disturbed. They left it.
Yeah.
So I ordered these from Amazon for $25 each, but then 2 of them fell off while I was driving. So I ordered new ones. I thought when I changed the,
You should return those.
I don't know if I have, I'm probably, I will check on Amazon.